Hi guys, I'm Chris Miller and I'm head chef of Café La Place in Zurich. Today we're going to talk to you about oxtail, which is in fact beef tail, and then we're going to show you how we would normally make it in the UK into a delicious oxtail stew. So first you want to preheat the oven to 220 degrees, then add the oxtail. You want to season it and then drizzle over a lug of olive oil, then toss it around to coat it and place it back in the oven for around 20 minutes or so until it becomes golden and caramelised. Meanwhile, trim and half the leeks and celery lengthwise, then chop into rough 2 cm chunks. Peel and chop the carrots again into 2 cm pieces, then place into a large oven-proof casserole pan over a medium-low heat with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add the cloves and the flour to the veg, stirring well to combine. Then pour in the tomatoes and the stock. Add the oxtail and any roasting juices. Cover with the beef stock and stir well. Turn the heat up now and bring it to the boil. Then pop the lid on and place it in the oven for around 5 hours or until the meat falls away from the bone. Remove the pan from the oven and leave it to cool for about 10 minutes. After this, you want to use a pair of rubber gloves to strip the meat from the bones and return it back to the pan, discarding the bones. At the end, add a good splash of Worcestershire sauce and season it to taste. I hope you've enjoyed watching this and happy cooking.